Hey there, Foundations. I wanted to walk you through a couple of things. First, we're going to examine this scatter plot and this line of best fit. The directions say which of the following is the correct equation for the regression line. And we have 4 options here, and I can see there's some similarities and some differences. Remember, when you have a scatter plot of data, the line of best fit must go through the center of the points. There should be half as many points above the line and below the line, and the line should be following the trend. So you would never have a line going like this, it would have to be going positively. Now, I noticed first that the y-intercept here, there's a couple of options. The y-intercept for this graph is somewhere between 1 and 2, pretty close to 2. So knowing that the y-intercept, okay, is about 1 point something, I'm going to eliminate this answer choice as an option. That y-intercept would be way up here, okay, and that is not correct. The line of best fit would be here. The second thing I notice here is we have some differences in slopes. Since the data is positive, we are not going to pick option C because that has a negative slope. Okay, that line of best fit would be going downhill. Now we've narrowed it down to 2. I like the y-intercept for each of these, but I notice that the slopes are a little different. The slope here is 1.18, and the slope here is 8. Looking at this graph, it looks like it goes a little more than 1, up 1, and over 1. I'm really liking this slope. A slope of 8 would go up 8, over 1, okay, and the line is not going in that direction. So using the process of elimination, option A is the correct line of best fit. You're going to be doing a Desmos activity right now, where you're going to be sliding scatter plots to their correct equations for the line of best fit. Now remember, when you're looking at line of best fit, you want to make sure your line goes through the center of the data. Okay, it says we currently have 0 cards sorted correctly. This is 1/4 x plus 6, 1/4 x plus 2, negative 1/4 x plus 2. So I'm noticing here we've got one negative slope. That would be for the one going downhill. And then here we've got 2 different y-intercepts. So think about them carefully. Okay, where would the lines of best fits be for this data? And which equation do you think matches? You slide the cards together, and when you make a correct match, this will tell you if you have 1, 2, 3, or 4 cards sorted correctly. Great job, Foundations.